Hey friends, today I'm going to share with you a little find while we were in Puerto Plata on a cruise. Big Lee's, a beach bar and grill. It is a little bit of a walk. It's about 2 miles, so be prepared for that. I do recommend a taxi or one of the horse buggy rides out there, but the food is excellent, reasonably priced, and they cook to order. So that means that they don't cut your french fries until you've ordered it, and then they cut the potato fresh, which is pretty cool. They've got great views here. You can see Poseidon back there on one of the little islands. Super cool. We got the onion rings, which I highly recommend. Some of the best onion rings I've ever had. And then we got the fish and chips, also quite tasty. And a fun fact about this picture, it is the tattoo on the owner's arm. And here's the owner, Big Lee himself. He came out to say hi. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. And until the next time, guys, shake a tail feather.